7 a.m. in the morning and I'm just sitting outside at the park. I was supposed to start my work at 7, but it's 7:06 and my restaurant is still not open. So I'm just here to chill out, just see it around. And a beautiful park. Look, it's so amazing, and you can see my back. It's amazing. Let's park to walk and let's go and let's explore today. Hopefully today will be a great day for us, and like it's so good outside. It's like peace. You can see it's greenery all over there, and let's go. Let's start the day in a full energy way. Bye bye. I'm opening. Come on, let me in. Hello, how are you?
5 minutes late.
Come on, bro. I'm on time.
You wanna help me bring the bins in?
No. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog. Oh yeah, so help me bring the bins in.
Okay.
I like the way you kiss me. I like the way you, I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss it. I can tell it is. Not trying to be romantic. I'll hit it from the back just so you don't get attached. I like the way you kiss me. I can tell you miss it.
That is the main reason why I stay for 1 hour outside. How you feel?
I feel happy. I feel very, very happy. Next time we're gonna be 2 hours.
Come on. Hey guys, finally done with my day and I'm off now. Now I'm going.
Peppa Pig, eat for health.